Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today. And if you saw my other video, I got the same thing, just in a different brand. So I wanted to get a different brand to compare the two for you guys. I'm going to put 8 on my fish tank stand. If you've seen my other videos, I got a 60-gallon breeder right there that I'm going to be setting up soon. So I got the cabinet, obviously did the video with that and everything, but I already put them on the left side, and then so I want to put some on the right side, but I'm going to put 8 total, and 8 total, even if these things are only rated at 250 pounds, which is on the lower end, that's still for 2,000 pounds, so I only need this to hold about 1,000, maybe 1,200, so to be rated at 2,000 pounds on the low end is pretty good for me. So this is kind of what the box looks like. This is what they send you. I don't think there's anything else on the box. It's a 4-pack. They give you the screws in here, the Allen keys. This bag is sealed. I don't think my other bag was sealed. It was in a Ziploc bag. I'm just letting you know. I don't really care about the difference. So here's the old one. Oh, so it's the same exact size as, so these ones were 16, these were 18, I think. So it's the same exact size Allen key for both. The screws honestly look exactly identical as those ones too. So here's kind of what it looks like, so you guys can kind of get an idea of the size with the ruler, how much it's going to stick out. All right, from the cabinet, how big is that lip? You can, yeah, the lips are very small. I thought they would have made these lips like 1/2 inch, and they're like just a little bit over 1/4 inch. So I wish they made these 1/2 inch, because majority is 1/2 inch, and it would just make me feel more secure, you know, help me sleep at night. But anyway, so these are kind of the same exact thing. Right now they're all the way in the down position, well, the lowest setting, pretty much, I guess you could say, which we're not going to be having, but they kind of feel the same exact, honestly, thing. I'm going to hold them up right now next to each other. Like I said, these are the POWERTECs. Here are these. So yeah, these are the POWERTECs. So see, these are the bottoms, so it has a screw on here, so maybe you could take that out, I don't really know, but let me see. So these kind of have a little bit of play. Oh, they both have play. Okay, so they both kind of, this one has a little bit more play, just to let you know. This one with the solid, than that one. This one has a little bit less. The screw diameters are the same. I think they're 3/8. How you tighten them with that Allen key is the same exact size. Honestly, yeah, they look like the same exact thing, give or take a couple of centimeters, you know, a couple of millimeters, I guess. There they are right there. The POWERTEC is bigger by like 1 millimeter, but that's not going to matter about weight. It doesn't look like the POWERTECs are going to be stronger, just to let you know. Look, they are the same exact build frame, the same exact kind of design, so the strength is pretty much going to be the same on the both of these. This one is just a little bit taller, but that's really not going to matter by a millimeter. What did I measure? I don't remember. What are you doing? What I can say I do like is with the POWERTEC, which is totally my opinion. Doesn't even matter. Everyone's gonna have a different application. But they gave me only 3/4 inch screws, or maybe a 1/2 inch. I don't know, around there. Where the other ones, they gave me like, I think it was like 1 inch. And when I drilled in, they came through like 1/4 of an inch on everything, because, you know, majority of your thicknesses are going to be mostly 1/2 inch. So I don't even know why they would give you those big ones, but they gave you small ones. These are perfect. All right, so there we go. They're installed. I pre-drilled, so because you don't want to blow it out. If you have, no matter what, I always pre-drill if you see my videos, because you know, unless it's like brand new wood, then I'll just drill it in if it's, you know, brand new, because I know it's fresh. But if I don't want anything to crack, so I always pre-drill. Let's turn these now and see how easy it is to lift like they were the other one. I measure mine out. You're gonna put yours wherever you want. And the main thing is that, you know, the weight shouldn't be resting on these screws. So I try to drill, I don't really drill straight. I drill to the top of the hole and like a tiny bit of a slant. So this way it'll pull it into the cabinet, you know, like up and tight on the bottom of the cabinet. Because you're gonna want these tight, because this is where the weight is gonna be sitting. Ooh, I have 2 of these now. Yeah, well, that doesn't matter. No matter what, you have to take it out. Oh, they don't give you the wrench. Oh. Alright, so when I just noticed in the POWERTEC, they didn't give me a wrench, so I can't tighten, well, I can tighten this, I have tools, but I can't do anything about this. So yeah, all you're going to do is take this. Oops. Oh, man. No wrench. So all you're going to do is put this up, because you don't want the weight resting on the screw, because then I'm pretty sure that's not how these are designed. The weight to design properly is you have to put this nut up, and then this will actually hold the weight of the of whatever the hell you're putting in there, whatever the hell you're trying to level out. That's how you pretty much use these and just level it. So like I said, compared to the other ones, the other brand, they look the same, act the same, feel the same, everything pretty much. So it doesn't matter. Anything under $20, it's probably coming from the same manufacturer in China. One company is making 1 million of these, and then there's probably 10 other companies selling 100,000 each. Whatever, that's kind of what I mean, something like that. Unless you're probably going to get the $30 ones, then, now you're talking. But like I'm a little poor, so I didn't buy those because it was a little expensive. But that's it. So that's it for Glen Bell reviews on the installation, me putting it in, seeing how it works for my 60-gallon breeder and the setup that I have. And yeah, so if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.